Good evening. Here are the top developments in artificial intelligence over the past 24 hours, spanning infrastructure, developer ecosystems, enterprise tools, and consumer platforms. SpaceX has reportedly filed confidentially for an IPO, with plans to fund large-scale AI infrastructure in space. The vision involves deploying data center satellites to bypass Earth's power and resource constraints. This signals a radical expansion of where AI compute could exist in the future. Anthropic has retracted a large number of GitHub takedown requests after calling the initial sweep an error. The incident highlights the growing tension between AI labs, intellectual property, and open-source ecosystems. This incident underscores the ongoing debate over AI, intellectual property, and open collaboration. Startup Cognichip has raised $60 million to build AI tools that design AI chips. The company claims significant reductions in both cost and development time. This reflects increasing efforts to optimize the AI supply chain itself. Salesforce has introduced a major update to Slack, adding around 30 AI-driven features. These include improvements in search, summarization, and workflow automation. The goal is to evolve Slack into a more intelligent, proactive work platform. Google is rolling out an AI-powered inbox experience within Gmail for premium users. This comes alongside ongoing feature updates across competing AI assistants, highlighting an intensifying race in consumer AI interfaces. From space-based infrastructure to workplace automation and consumer platforms, AI continues to expand across every layer of the technology stack. That's your AI update for April 2. Follow for daily, high-signal insights on artificial intelligence.